I'm the Corporate Safety EHS Manager at Trustgate Engineering and Construction Private Limited, overseeing all environmental safety and health matters. What I do regularly is to conduct regular audit, ensure compliance and making sure our workers have the protection that they needed. And I'm also delighted to be selected to evaluate, as part of this WSH ongoing effort to improve the hearing protection, assess a wide range of industry. So my industry mainly is in construction sector. So noise is a ever present challenge for me. And of course, I'm pleased to share my findings of how this earmuff performs in a noisy environment as well. It's not compulsory to wear, but I'm employed my hearing protection device according to my specific of work and stages of the work exposure. Hearing protection devices are usually used during high noise activities, such as piling, demolition, and any activities where sound level exceeds the permissible level. Routine, no, is as I mentioned earlier on, is depending on my stages of my work. Moving machineries, air compressor, where we need to clear off all the dust before we lean in the concrete. Hydraulic breaker, both using excavator and manual hacking and piling works. When we are going through the work itself, it will be because the workers and myself will be very near to the area, and we also need to depending on to see how work the activities to be done. So for this kind of work activity, we will actually identify, and then we will need to put on appropriate ear protection. Usually when we use HPDs, whether they have provided sufficient ventilation, which means the noise level has been cancelled, or can it cause discomfort to the skin and irritation for the workers. The most important part, of course, is the noise reductions and the wearing comfort. Of course, aesthetic-wise will be the secondary consideration. 3 hours before my lunch, then after that another 3 hours, total about 6 hours or so. Thanks to this new HPV, is that I've been using it for the past several days of my current works. And I find that it has an excellent reductions of reducing construction noise and remain comfort with my 2 years being kept on all the way throughout. The period is actually quite long in a way. Comparing to the one that I used previously, this one is definitely reduced a lot more, and definitely it is more comfortable comparing to using normal earplugs. Even those disposable one. It's definitely stand out a lot. When I actually wore it, a lot of my workers together with my subcontractors actually would like to try it out as well. They also find that there's a huge reduction of the noise upon when the work activity actually started. We did try it out as well. If you can wear it for a long period of time without hurting your ears or there's any weakness of the ears and skins. Yes, the markings are very useful for quick verification of the performance. So when we know that the noise level is actually high, it definitely works in a way. It's very comfortable, and when you're not in use, you can just hang it around your neck. And after a long period of time, is that the ear itself, you can see there's no weakness, there's no full clamming on it where it's very discomfort. And of course, the most important thing is the noise reduction. When you wear it at time, you definitely don't feel anything. It feels like it's just like a normal as per it is. You don't feel like you're wearing any headphones or anything like that. No restriction to it. It's just, as I mentioned already, it's just wearing it together with the helmet itself. You don't feel that you're actually wearing a earmuff at all. Yes. Compared to typical hardware store models, they offer significant and greater intuition, remain comfortable for a long period of times without any ear irritation. And of course, the design also managed to resist any damage when placed on the surface. Surface as in placed on the surface table after you use. Not like those that actually we used before. It can't be stand, so you have to, put it on the table, and as and when the table can be dirty and can be scratches.